Cheers to forever, unveiling the heart of celebratory expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning and usage of a very special phrase, cheers to forever. Whether you've heard it at celebrations or seen it in greetings, this expression holds a dear place in English-speaking cultures. Let's explore its significance, origins, and how you can use it to add a touch of warmth to your celebrations. At its core, cheers to forever is a toast or expression used during celebrations to wish for everlasting happiness, success, or love. The word, cheers, is traditionally associated with good wishes before drinking, while forever signifies a hope for something to last indefinitely. Together, they create a powerful phrase that expresses a deep wish for perpetual joy or a never-ending positive state. This phrase combines the traditional act of toasting, which dates back to ancient times, with the modern expression of timeless wishes. While cheers has been a common part of toasts in English-speaking countries, adding to forever elevates the toast from a simple wish for the present moment to a lifelong aspiration. It reflects a cultural value of lasting bonds and the desire for permanent positivity in one's life or relationships. Cheers to forever is perfect for significant celebrations where the intention is to wish for enduring happiness or success. These occasions might include weddings, to wish the newlyweds a lifetime of happiness together; anniversaries, celebrating the enduring love or success of a relationship or venture; milestone birthdays, to express the hope for continuous joy and health in the years to come; farewell parties, wishing for everlasting friendship despite the distance. When using this phrase, it's usually done with a drink in hand, during a toast. Everyone present typically raises their glasses in agreement and takes a sip after the phrase is said. It's a moment that symbolizes unity and shared wishes for a bright and enduring future. For English language learners, incorporating expressions like cheers to forever into your vocabulary can add a layer of cultural understanding and emotional depth to your conversations. Remember, context is key. Use it in joyful, celebratory settings. Pronunciation. Practice saying it with a cheerful tone to match the celebratory mood. Body language. Raise your glass confidently. Make eye contact, and smile to convey warmth and sincerity. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful phrase, cheers to forever, and inspired you to use it in your celebrations to express timeless wishes. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connecting with others. Cheers to forever is a perfect example of how English allows us to express deep, lasting wishes in simple yet profound ways. Until next time, keep learning and celebrating the beauty of English. Cheers to your journey in language learning.